In this video, I'm going to talk again about CPs or continuation patterns. It is very important to understand that not all basing candles are CPs. A CP has to have these three features: an ERC, which is an extended range candle, then a basing, and then another ERC or extended range candle. If we don't have that, then the middle formation, which is a base, the CP, okay, will not be a valid CP. You have to make sure that the CPs you locate on any time frame have ERC candles on both legs, the leg in and the leg out. Leg in, base, leg out. Drop, base, drop, or rally, base, rally. When in doubt, when the basing candles do not look like a base or look like a peak or valley, if you have the slightest doubt, consider that price action as a CP. Okay? Consider it as CP. Ignore that CP, it has to be clear. Do not try to trade that CP because usually they are eliminated. So let's take a look at some examples. This time I've chosen dollar CAD weekly chart, and we have lots of candles over here. So if we start here in the middle, we're going to see what I've been discussing in this first slide. We've got a drop. This is the ERC candle, the red candle, and then we've got three candles at the base. Okay, this is the leg in, this is the base, and this ERC candle is the leg out. So we've got our CP right there. Okay, then price continues, and we've got the leg out of this CP, the leg out of this CP is now the first legging, the legging for this CP. This is a pause, a basing candle. We've got a drop, legging, pause, the white candle, then leg out again. We've got another CP over here. Price continues to drop. This is not a pause, a basing candle, because it doesn't have the dot in the middle. Okay, it's like an ERC, another ERC, 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 and then price tries to reverse, printing a higher high, closing above these highs, and making a clear peak. Okay, no CPs available over here. It's just a peak. Okay, we've got peaks, pauses, and peaks. And now when we reach the bottom, we've got a drop, a base, and a rally. And then again, we've got our CP over here. We have a rally, a base, and then we've got another rally over here. This is a CP, a pause. Okay. Here on this price action, it is very confusing. Okay, very confusing. As you can see, it's being eliminated. This looks like a drop, rally, and then a drop, and then a rally again, like a W shape over there. Okay, it's a peak, but very confusing price action. Then price continues to drop over here, and when it drops down there, it drops and then rallies, and then we've got another CP over here, a rally. This is the ERC candle, this is the basing candle, and this is the ERC candle. Then we have another one over here, a rally, a base, and then a rally, and then price cannot continue on the way up, okay, and drops to this CP lower. And then as we continue to go higher over here, this price action could be considered like a valley. Okay, very tricky. You can consider it as CP, and then this one is a CP as well. We've got the rally, base, and the rally. This is another type of candle which is called fed ERC. It will be described in other videos. So this is also part of a CP, of legging or leg out. Okay, so you have to pay attention to these price action, these candles. Like here in the dollar CAD, we've got a rally, base, 4 candles at the base, and then price rallies again. We've got another one over here, ERC, legging, pause, leg out. And if we read this as well, ERC, pause, ERC, leg in, leg out, pause, pause, leg out. Okay? When you are in doubt, do not consider it as a valley or peak. Just consider it a pause, a CP. Okay? And that's everything for this video.